Good afternoon, members of the jury. Our court attendant informed me that you have reached a verdict. Is that correct?
That is correct.
Okay, if you would please hand that verdict form to Ms. Larson. Thank you. The verdict appears to be in order. The members of the jury, through the foreman, have signed verdict form number 1. We, the jury, find the defendant, Jerry Lynn Burns, guilty of the charge of murder in the first degree, dated this 24th day of February 2020, signed by the foreman of the jury, Mr. Lynch. I will now poll the jury. I'm going to ask you simply whether this is your verdict. Rather than name each of your names, I am going to proceed by seat number, and it will be in the order the top seat on my right. We will go through that top row, and then we will proceed in the front row of jurors, beginning again to my right, nearest the back wall of the courtroom. Juror number 1, is this your verdict? Juror number 2, is this your verdict?
Yes.
Juror number 3, is this your verdict?
Yes.
Juror number 4, is this your verdict?
Yes.
Juror number 5, is this your verdict?
Yes.
Juror number 6, is this your verdict? Juror number 7, is this your verdict?
Yes.
Juror number 8, is this your verdict?
Yes.
Juror number 9, is this your verdict?
Yes.
Juror number 10, is this your verdict?
Yes.
Juror number 11, is this your verdict?
Yes.
Juror number 12, is this your verdict? Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, thank you again. At this time, we will excuse you. I will be in just a few minutes to thank you again and answer any questions that you have.
Please rise for the jury.
The record should reflect that Mr. Burns, as well as counsel, have remained in open court. The jury has retired again to the deliberation room. I will schedule a sentencing in this matter in the normal course. It will be approximately 6 weeks from now. I direct the 6th Judicial District Department of Correctional Services to prepare and file a pre-sentence investigation report and make that available to the attorneys as well as the court with no less than 5 days prior to the date scheduled for sentencing. Mr. Burns, you do have the right to file a motion in arrest of judgment. A motion in arrest of judgment, as well as any motion to seek a new trial, must be filed within 45 days of today's date and at least 5 days prior to the sentencing date that will be scheduled in the normal course. Mr. Spies can certainly answer any questions you have regarding those motions, but those motions are essential and must be filed prior to that sentencing date if you wish to pursue those motions. Anything further that we need? Well, at this point, Mr. Burns will be held without bond, given the fact that this is a forcible felony. Any further record we need at this time, Mr. Maybanks?
No, Your Honor.
Anything further we need at this time, Mr. Spies? Okay, thank you, folks. We will be adjourned.